Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel MJ Manjari. In today's video, we are going to see on-screen marking system for Evaluator help manual issued by CBSE. So now let's see in detail. So first let us see the system requirement. So system requirement, first you should have PC or laptop with Windows OS 8 or above. RAM should be 4 GB or above. C drive free space should be 1 GB or above. You should have latest internet browser, preferably Chrome, then Adobe Reader and good and uninterrupted internet connection with minimum speed of 2 Mbps per second. Next, this is the website which I have already given in the description as well as in the comment section of this video. Once you click on it, you are going to get this login page. In this login page, you need to enter your user ID, password and click on send OTP. Then you need to enter your email ID or mobile number, enter the OTP and click on login button. Once you click on login button, you will log in the system. And this is the home page you are going to get where they have given you all the instructions. Then you need to click on continue for evaluation. Once you click on it, you are going to get on the main assessment, which is this part. Here they have given total papers you have evaluated, total today how many papers you have evaluated, then how many are available to you, issued to you, how many you have completed, how many you have rejected and how many you have marked as unfair means. Then next one is your profile. If you click on your profile, here all your user ID, your name, mobile number, email ID is given. Then your bank detail, make sure all this bank detail, IFSC code, everything is correct because you are going to get payment on in this bank only. So make sure all these details are correct. Next is your click on main assessment and click on start button. Once you click start button, your evaluation will automatically start. So this is the evaluation first page you are going to get. Here all the subject and evaluator detail is there. First one is your script ID. Script ID means answer book one ID is given to you. This is your ID and your role. For you it's written evaluator. If you are AHE, here it will be written AHE, and if you are HE, here it will be written HE. Then here is the count of pages, like today you are seeing the first node answer book out of 20 which you have to evaluate. Now you are in page number 3 and total page is 34, and in this answer book you have already spent 1 minute 25 seconds. So timing is also mentioned here. Next, here for all the questions, either you have to give step marking or you have to enter any. Any means not answered. If you want to give marks, click on that and step marking will come. You need to choose the marks. So for that particular step, maximum marks is 1. You can give 0, 0.5 or 1 according to you. So number of steps will also be displayed here. The total is 6 steps are here. So here as you can see, 1 marks, 0 marks, 1, 1, 0, 0. So all will get added up and you are going to get total marks. So automatically total marks will appear here in the box. So out of 6 marks, he scored 3 marks and these are the 6 steps for 1 marks each. Next, same thing, once you click on that, all the, like for 5 marks, all the steps are there. You can choose the whatever marks you want to give to that particular question. Here also another example that 4 steps are there. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 0. So 3 marks out of 4 marks. So step marking is given. For any, choose the question and click on NA. Once you click on NA, they are going to ask you. Click on OK, then that particular question will be marked as not attempted or not answered. If you want to remove it, if you click NA for the second time, say NA is marked. Now if you again click on NA, they will ask you if you want to remove NA, so it will remove. So 1 time it will mark NA, 2 times it will remove NA. Then now here all the page numbers are shown to you. Green means you have seen those pages or you have given marks. Red marks means you have not seen those pages, you have not given any marks or annotation on that particular pages. So before submission, make sure all pages are green, otherwise it will not be submitted. Next, here these are the different symbols or script you can annotation you can use. So here like M M is used to give marks. On or off button is the tick. You can mark tick, you can mark cross, you can make lines, you can write some notes also. This symbol is to view, means I have seen that page but I am not giving any marks. Then this is for blank page. If you want to delete any annotation, you can click. If you want to write any comment on any script, you can use this. QP is for question paper. You click on QP, question paper will displayed. If any student has written answer to same answer two places, so you can click on repeat. Wrong question number, you can use this. For solution, unfair, mean, reject, this is for save, submit and exit. So all these buttons uses are there. So here wrong annotation, if you select, it will be shown like this. So you just need to click on it, it will automatically mark, cross mark in those questions wherever you want to mark it. This is for the line, which is this yellow one. Then next, this I means you have seen this page, you are not going to allot any marks in this page, so automatically it will become green in color, means you have seen this page. Then for note, so once you click on the note, you are going to get this box. You type the note and click on submit button, so your comment will get saved in that particular note. Then repeat, once you click on this repeat symbol, repeated answer will come in your answer book. Then wrong question number, just click on this, it will come here. Next, tick and cross, and you can click on save button, it will save. If you want to delete, select that annotation, click on delete, that annotation will get deleted or removed from that page. This is for blank page, blank annotation. Then for script comment, you can click here, type your comment and click on submit button, so your script comment will get saved in that page. If you click on solution, marking scheme will get opened up. If you click on QP, your question paper will open for you. If you click reject, you need to select the reason for rejecting, then click on submit, like improper scanning or answer book of different subject, medium is different. Next, unfair, mean, select the reason why you are selecting as unfair, mean writing in different handwriting, tearing or carrying a page, abusive language, put signature, so you can choose and click on submit button. Then you can enter yourself also complete detail, click on submit button. Next, you can zoom in and zoom out using this here is the symbol plus and minus, so zoom in and zoom out you can use. You can rotate, if scanning has some problem, you can rotate using this rotation symbol. Then you can adjust the brightness and contrast from here. Script will submitted after marks are awarded for all the questions. See here, 2 pages are red in color, means you have not awarded marks or you have not kept seen also. Once you need to complete that, then only it will get submitted, otherwise it's incomplete only. So marks cannot be left blank. Question number 12A, 12A is left, means you have to either give step marking or write NA for that particular question. Then after you click on submit button, again they are asking to confirm, so you can click on the confirm button. Then after that it will ask for new answer sheet, so you can click OK, then new answer sheet will get opened up for you. So you can exit, if you want to stop the evaluation, click on exit, it will come back to the dashboard again, then you can log out. So here dashboard report will be given, like your subject is English, 10 completed, 0 rejected, and UFM is also 0. Next, here day wise report, 2nd Feb, 30 January, 21st January 20, how you have done, how many you have completed, how many rejected, total. Then evaluator script, so here HE review is also given, so you can open those HE review, you can see the comments which you have been given. So here you can click on the question number, comment, mark given by AHE, AHE remark against each script, HE review status is rejected, accept or pending. Then evaluator wise mark report, like 80 marks, 11 evaluated, how many answer sheet are in this range, 60 and above, 50 to 59, 40 to 49, 30 to 39. So you don't have to make all this report, automatically they are going to make. Then this is the detail of HE and AHE. Then for any technical support you can contact CBSE on this mail ID. Email ID is also given, mobile number is also given. You can contact between 8 AM to 4 PM in working days. That's all for today's video. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. We'll meet in another video with some more interesting information for you. Till then, goodbye, keep learning.